How to fix PDF won't open. 1. Unlock PDF file, remove password from PDF file. 2. Set Adobe Acrobat DC as a default program. And on Mac, right-click on the PDF file, choose Open with Others. 3. Resize the PDF. 4. Update Adobe Acrobat. 5. Run compatibility mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Like this. 6. Turn off Enable Protected Mode at the startup in Adobe Reader Preferences. 7. Repair the installation of your Adobe Acrobat. 8. Uninstall and reinstall Adobe Acrobat Reader. For Mac users, check your Applications folders, then move Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to trash. Refer to this IMG. 9. Use an older version of the PDF Reader. 10. Request to resend the PDF file. 11. Try another PDF reader, Google alternatives to Adobe Acrobat Reader. 12. Contact the Adobe Help Center.